All right, good evening to all my WOC students. I was observing you all students. Since 3 days, I was observing every fraction of a second which you were studying. I was observing you biting your nails and getting tensed for your exam. I was observing you the way you were putting your fingers crossed and studying. I believe in you, students. Yes, on the that particular day after your physics exam, I have sent you 1,000 MCQs. All right, it is not 1,000; it is 1,500 MCQs. In that, it was covering every line of NCRT. Yes, every line of NCRT means, if I have to tell you, that's the masterpiece. I have sent you and I was observing carefully, seeing that all my students are studying sincerely for the exam. Remember, students, I always say only one thing. What is it? Don't let anybody put you down. Yes, don't let anybody say that you can't do it. No. Always, you have a dream, hold that dream tight like this. Protect your dream and work for it. Yes, students, I know you all are very sincere. You're working for it. You have a target. You have been putting 100% into that. Don't panic. Yes, tomorrow is your chemistry paper. Relax. Everything before the examination, we feel we have not done anything. As a student, even I felt like that. You know, before my examination, when I was in school, when I had my exams, all my fingers, I used to bite my nails. Why? Out of tension. I used to study everything, but mind says everything is blank. It's quite common. It's quite common with everyone. How much ever we study, everything seems to be blank. But tomorrow, as soon as you go to your examination room, when you open your paper and see, first thing, relax. Relax. Don't panic. Okay. Second thing, read the question carefully and please try to use that concept of elimination. MCQ is always elimination process. Correct, students? 4 options are given to you. So what you should do? First, read the question. Just for 2 or 3 seconds, analyze the question. Okay, completely analyze the question. Okay, suppose there's a topic called the Lucas reagent reaction. There, think first. Okay, Lucas reagent, what is it used for? It is used for differentiating primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Done. Then you are going to just again remember, okay, with Lucas reagent test, what do we get? Turbidity. All right. So point number 3, that the turbidity is observed by or shown by tertiary alcohols immediately, isn't it? So these are all the 360 analysis of the question. After analyzing, then read your question and mark your answer. So you know primary, it doesn't give only, it will take at least 2 to 3 days. Secondary within 5 to 10 minutes. Tertiary will give you immediately. And fourth option would be none of the above, or they may give you something related to other chapters of haloalkanes. So don't get confused. Use the concept. 360 degree concept is important for any question. Simple as that. And most important thing is, yes students, you have been studying since almost 6 to 8 months. Yes students, now nothing. See, these 6 to 8 months, whatever you have studied, everything is there in your mind. Only thing is you're brushing your concepts. Only thing is you're studying what is there and trying to keep that in your mind. So tomorrow, as soon as you go to your examination hall, immediately first do the MCQs which you know. Means you whichever concept your 360 degree comfortable concept is clear, do it off. So numericals is a point where it will drag lot of time. Nothing to worry. In those numericals also, either they will give you density numericals or calculation of edge length or radius. They may give you numericals based on calculation of formula in solid state. Yes, all those I have sent you in your MCQs. 1500 MCQs, every concept is there in that. After that, they may give you numericals in solutions chapter based on 5 things. 1, concentration terms. Molarity, molality, mole fraction, or weight or volume percentage. That's fine, easy. After that, they're going to give you on based to the colligative properties, RLVP, boiling point, freezing point and osmotic pressure. Van 't Hoff's factor is not there. And fourth variety is they're going to give you numericals related to molarity and molality. They're going to give you numericals in relation with molarity and mole fraction. Yes, nothing to worry students, easy questions. Colligative property questions would be the easiest one, right? So first point number 1, finish all the questions which you know where the concepts are clear. Finish off that and then come to your numericals. Please don't sit with numericals first only. It will eat up your time. Okay. So I believe in you. I have seen you studying all these days. I have seen you. I'm observing you since your physics exam. Not even physics exam students. Our relationship, your and my relationship, it has started when I started with WOC. Correct? It was in the month of September. So these 4 years, I'm seeing you, I'm seeing all the varieties of students who are getting good marks. They come and write and tell me, ma'am, out of 70, I got 69. Out of 70, I got 70. It's like, no problem, students. If you're out of 35 now, even if you're getting 28, 30 also, no problem. You have your term 2 examination, right? Now, in those term 2 examination, again we will study. Oh, I forgot. I have to announce something. Yes. Your term 2 revision or your term 2 is going to start off with Vani ma'am again immediately. So 21st your IPE paper, I think. Yes. After that immediately I'm going to start off with your term 2. Remaining chapters whatever are there. This time you have your subjective paper. Yes. You have your case based question. Yes. I'm going to carefully take you into the journey. Yes, you only tell me students, these 1500 MCQs would have made you clear all the concepts of NCERT. Am I right? Yes, I am right. An important announcement, one more thing, as NEET and JEE examinations ahead, this year Vani ma'am is going to start off with your NEET and JEE preparation for you all. Yes, I'll be trying to excel you all in the chemistry subject with the NEET and JEE. I'll be uploading the videos. Please get prepared. One fine day, I want students to tell me, ma'am, term 1 exam went well, term 2 exam went well, JEE paper went well, NEET paper went well. And why will I leave 10th class students? 10th class students, your term 2 chapters are also ready. Once this one starts, I'm going to send those term 2 chapters also. Only 2 more are left. And grade 11 students, as you all know, states of matter, term 2, hydrogen from my end and thermodynamics is already done. Gradually, hydrocarbons, that is also done from my end. Yes, students. So, equilibrium also is done from my end. Nothing to worry. See, Vani ma'am, as I said, WOC will never leave your hand. Never ever it will leave your hand. But I am waiting for your hand also to be with me, students. Yes. So, our journey continues. Tomorrow, as soon as you see your chemistry paper, don't get panic. Close your eyes and once pray God and tell that you have put your 100% and you are going to get that 100%. Again, don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. You can do it, students. You are a warrior, correct? You are a warrior. So, don't study new topics today night. So, study whatever is given to you. NCERT, other than NCERT, nothing will be given in the exam. Got it? So, NCERT textbook completely and important. 1500 MCQs which I have sent. And in the telegram, I have sent you 15 sample papers. CBSE sample papers are sent in the telegram channel. Join me immediately so that you can revise those today. Alright, so Vani ma'am will be waiting tomorrow at 1:30. Once as soon as you come back from the exam, please share your views. I am the first person to get, I should be the first person to get the information. I'll be waiting. I think even I'll not sleep today night, students, because it is your chemistry paper, no? I'll not sleep today because I'll be tensed, more tensed than you. What will my students? I don't want my students to face the pain. Yes? Alright. Very good, students. So, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for standing with me. I'm also there, just like your shadow behind you. So, grade 10 students, grade 11 students, grade 12 students for term 2, JEE students and NEET students, stay tuned with me. more and more videos are coming up from my end. All right. So thank you so much, students. All the best. Go with a smile, come back with a smile. Bye bye. All the best.